Takeoff.
There it goes. All right, go for it. And you can hear the shift.
Yeah, the shift's weird.
Oh yeah, it's a 2-speed transmission.
Let's talk Porsche Taycan. Now, I have a Model S, but I do love the Porsche Taycan. I have driven this several times, and it's really, really fast. And the handling and the fit and finish and the construction is amazing. It's probably one of the best built electrics as far as tightness and everything just feeling solid, like a solid piece of billet. There are so many different variants of this car. The 4S, the Turbo S, the GTS, and the new models like the Weissach track packages are going to be amazing with 1,000 horsepower. That's so cool.
Oh yeah, we got the really cool sunroof on this one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Electric,
Yeah, check this out.
electrochromatic.
Whoa,
It's fun to play with.
that is really cool.
Whoa.
And we can go bold or something and do the weird stuff.
Oh wow.
It's unique.
Wow.
Haven't been in an electric car in a while. It's fast.
They're nuts.
Last one, what, 2021?
I have to say my favorite variant of the Taycans are the Cross Turismos with the kind of station wagon, what they call a shooting brake body style. It gives you that extra cargo space, extra headroom in the back, and there's just something about a really cool wagon that really appeals to me. Now the new Taycan Turbo GT and the Weissach package, which are going to have 0 to 60 times of 2.1 seconds, 1,019 horsepower, and 190 mile per hour top speeds, are going to be beast. I will say you can pick up a pre-owned Taycan, you know, just maybe a 4S for about $60,000 right now, and those prices are coming down. So we'll see what 2024 holds for the depreciation if you want to pick up a great used electric sports car, or sports sedan, I should say. With this vehicle's 800 volt architecture and its fast charging capabilities, it's going to be really nice to have this vehicle be able to charge at the Tesla superchargers, which in 2025 will be switching over to that Tesla port. Now you can get an adapter now for the Porsches, so you can fast charge them at the Tesla superchargers. The interior of this car is beautiful. It's got up to 4 screens ranging in size from 8.4 inches all the way up to the 16.8 inch driver's display. You do have Apple CarPlay, and these screens are really great for the passenger even, so you can display the nav over on the passenger side, which is really cool. You even have the awesome Sport Chrono package on this one, which gives you that clock on the dash. My favorite thing to do is go on the Porsche website and use their configurator to customize these cars.
So, all right, you guys ready?
Yep.
Launch control, full thing.
Oh, God!
How was that?
Fast.
That was 100.
Yeah.
Or right near it. So, you didn't hear that, of course. Not for the video.
No.
So you ready?
Yep.
Heads lean back good.
Yep.
So I just jab it. And it's just a shock. It's just, holy crap. When these things first came in, it was like, oh my gosh. And that's with 3 people in the car.
Yeah, these are ridiculous.
On top of the Turbo S being wicked fast, it also has an amazing interior with this Burmeister audio system. And let me tell you, I couldn't let you hear the audio, but it is really incredible, the audio quality in this car. And a lot of cars are going with what they call vegan leather, but in this car, you can option in real leather. And it is exquisite, the smell and the feel of the leather. It really has kind of that old Porsche feel to it as far as the quality of the materials. So if you get a chance, get out there and test drive one of these Porsches. They're really, really amazing. I do want to thank Ocala Porsche for letting me check out their selection. I always like the styling of these cars, and they're infinitely configurable with colors, wheels, even seatbelt colors, everything you can think of. And there's some really trick ones here. My favorite is the green with the gold wheels. But what do you guys think? What's your favorite Porsche? Now, I got a little surprise for you. They did have a really, really special Porsche here. Now, it is a gas Porsche, but the Porsche Dakar is one of the rarest Porsches out there right now. It's kind of an off-road 911 that has a raised suspension. And from what I hear, it's really, really fun to drive because it's really cushy. But they're super rare, and most of them have already been purchased. And at $300,000, that's pretty expensive. If you guys have any questions, comments, or anything you want to say about electric cars, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll answer every question you guys have. I appreciate you guys watching, and thank you for everything.
Welcome to Bryce's channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.